Hi, today I'd like to show you how to replace a screen on the LT2802u Gateway Netbook computer. I dropped it and the screen broke, as you can see. First, I'm going to turn off the computer. And take the battery out. And open this up. You'll see two tabs right over here. All they are is stickers. So use a needle to take them out. Oh, there it goes. There goes one. We'll put it plastic. And there's another one. We'll put it here. So there's two screws. Get a small screwdriver and unscrew those. Okay, after you remove the two screws, you can pull it apart from the side. I like to start from this corner, and it just snaps out. Don't be too rough on it. Try to be a little bit gentle, and it slowly just pops out. Work your way all the way to the top and across. Alright, here's another trick. You open it all the way, and be careful about these. They are connected with two plastic rivets, so they can break pretty easily. So just be careful. Kind of stick your finger back, make sure they're secure, and then you can just pop these out. And I broke mine. So be careful. But they pop right back in. There's, at this point, you gotta be really careful. There's like a ribbon here and a ribbon down here. A ribbon down here, you can't see it. It's right there. Can you see there's a ribbon right there? And be careful not to pull the ribbon out of the little socket thing. You can use like a needle again to help pull it out of your webcam. And there's 4 screws right here. And you just take those out with a screwdriver. Oh. Alright, and at this point, like if you do not know anything about your computer, you can usually pull the screen off gently. Oh, the screw's not done. Pull the screen off gently, and it will tell you your model number, your screen model number. Mine was B101AW06V1. That's what I used to actually order it from laptopscreen.com. I got this from laptopscreen.com for actually a really good price. I looked at other places and with shipping, and it's from America. I didn't want to order somewhere from China or something, so, and it came pretty quick. I got it from laptopscreen.com. And let's go ahead with this. This ribbon is connected with some sticky stuff, so just be gentle. Oh, there's some yellow tape, or some kind of tape. I don't know what kind of tape it will be on your computer, so some yellow tape on here. Let's see. Take that tape off. There's another sticker here. Take off also. And that'll give you access to this. And let's figure out how to take it apart. Nope, that's definitely... Oh, okay, there it goes. So, voila, broken screen, new screen. It comes with some protection on it, so I'm just gonna leave that on there until I'm done installing it. And let's just put it back the way we found it. So, I kept the yellow tape and stuff on here just the way it was. Just pulled it back. Now I'm just gonna fit it right in. These pins are very small. Everything's very small, so you gotta be very careful. Oy. There we go. Perfect. So let's tape this back. Run this wire up. Oh, take this tape off. And we're gonna screw everything back. This is my first time doing this. I haven't done this. I took this plastic thing apart, this thing, before I got the screen. And I'm doing this for the first time, and we'll see how it goes. Let's remove this. Oh, I also got it in, they had two finishes. They had a matte finish and glossy. I just went with a glossy just because it was a couple dollars cheaper. Put the screen back on. Snap everything back. Screw these back. Let's get these stickers. Put these back in the right place. Make it look nice. Okay. Put the battery back. Alright, let's see if it worked. It's my first time ever trying this. Oh! That's it. I got the screen at laptopscreen.com, and it was easy as that. My first time ever. I'm pretty proud of myself. Thank you. Bye.